Hello, welcome to my channel Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be doing a delicious French toast, and I'm going to do a savoury one and I'm going to do a sweet one, and I'm going to use different types of bread. So keep watching the video to find out what I use to make my French toast. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and say hello in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to remind you when the videos are coming out. To 4 eggs, I've mixed 50 ml of milk. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of butter into a frying pan. I'll let that melt. And then I'm going to add a small drop of olive oil as well. And the reason to do the two is it stops the butter from burning. Right, so I've got a shallow dish, as you can see, which is the best way. Instead of drowning your bread, push it down for about 20 or 30 seconds and then turn it over and leave it for another 20 or 30 seconds. Put your spatula underneath and just drain any excess egg, and then you bring it over to your pan. So this has been cooking for about 2 minutes on this side. So I'm just going to get my spatula and turn this over, and you'll see this lovely golden brown colour. So I'm just going to take this out, but I'll just flip it over so you can see it. Look how delicious that looks. So you can have it plain like this, or I'm going to show you an alternative you can have as a savoury French toast. So what is really nice to do is place some bacon. I've got some cooked bacon here that I did while I was doing the French toast, and I've got some cooked tomato because I like them nice and warm. So now I'm just going to cut this in half, and you can see how delicious this looks. The bacon, tomato and your French toast. Now if you want more eggy bread, you just leave it longer than 20 to 30 seconds. And you'll get a really soggy French toast. So now for the fun part. I'm going to bite into this lovely bacon, tomato and your French toast. This goes so well together. Oh, this can be a snack, breakfast, lunch, or even a dinner if you wanted. So lovely. So we have in here our butter and olive oil again, and we just melt this on a medium heat. So we've got egg and milk in here the same as before, but this time for the sweet French toast we're going to add a spoonful of vanilla essence, 2 if you want to, if you like it nice and sweet, and just give that a mix. As a rule of thumb, you want 1 egg per slice of bread. And each time you cook this, you want fresh butter and olive oil. So we're going to caramelize some banana. So we'll put some butter in a pan, put a tablespoon of sugar in, and just stir this around for a few minutes. So I've cut the banana in half, and I'm going to put this into the pan with the sugar and the butter, and it's going to nicely caramelize the bananas. You can slice them up if you want into round circles, or you can do it this way. And I'm going to just turn them over. You can see how nice they're looking. So just mix them around into that lovely sugar and butter mixture. Oh, the smell is amazing. Look how lovely these are looking. And this is going to go nice with your nice sweet French toast. So I'm just going to cut these into small triangles onto the plate. A lovely sweet French toast. And I'm going to place a lovely caramelized banana. And if you wanted to, you can drizzle some nice maple syrup over it. Now, as well as the normal white bread, I came up with the idea of doing croissants. I'm going to do a nice normal white roll. This is a muffin that I'm going to do in the egg mixture. And I was going to do brioche bread, but my supermarket never had any, so I've got a brioche roll. So I'm going to dip those all in the egg mixture and fry them, and I'm going to show you in a minute what they look like. So keep watching to find out. To go with this sweet potato, to go with this sweet French toast, we're just going to do some caramelized butter. No, we're not. We're going to actually do a caramel. I can't say the word. And then we're going to, what's the word? And now we're going to drizzle some maple syrup. No, it's not. You're laughing because it's closed. It is maple syrup, isn't it? Yeah, but I just got the thing closed.